The hidden world above us. Yes, it's layers of atmosphere. Welcome to A Such Little Topper. In this fascinating exploration, we delve into the layers that compose our Earth's atmosphere and finds the secret it handles. The Earth's atmosphere is composed of several layers, each with distinct characteristics and functions. These layers are categorized based on their properties such as temperature, composition, and change with increasing altitude. Starting from the Earth's surface and moving upward, the atmospheric layers are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. What is atmosphere? The atmosphere is a mixture of gases that surrounds the Earth. It helps make life possible by providing us with air to breathe, shielding us from harmful ultraviolet radiations coming from the sun, trapping heat to warm the planet, and preventing extreme temperature differences between day and night. It consists mainly of nitrogen and oxygen, along with small amount of other gases. Here, the layers of atmosphere. Layer 1 is troposphere, layer 2 is stratosphere, layer 3 is mesosphere, layer 4 is thermosphere, and layer 5 is exosphere. It is important to note that all the divisions are not strict boundaries, and there can be some overlap and variations in the altitude due to factors like geographic location, weather, and solar activity. Additionally, within the troposphere, there are various atmospheric layers that contribute to weather patterns such as boundary layer, tropopass, and jet streams. The first layer, troposphere. The troposphere is the lowest layer of Earth's atmosphere, extending from the Earth's surface up to an average altitude of about 12 kilometers. Most types of clouds are found in the troposphere and almost all weather occurs within this layer. Hot air balloons and airplanes fly within the troposphere because it provides the necessary condition for safe and efficient air travel. Stratosphere. The stratosphere is a layer of Earth's atmosphere. It is the second layer of the atmosphere as you go upward. It extends roughly from an altitude of about 12 kilometers to 50 kilometers above the Earth's surface. The stratosphere is also home to the ozone layer, which shield the Earth from the harmful UV radiation. Radiosones can collect data and travel up to the lower part of the stratosphere. The next layer is mesosphere. The mesosphere is the third layer of Earth's atmosphere. It extends approximately from an altitude of about 50 kilometers to 85 kilometers above the Earth's surface. The mesosphere is characterized by thin air and low atmospheric pressure. It is also the layer where meteors burn up upon entry into the Earth's atmosphere, creating the visual phenomenon known as shooting stars. Thermosphere. The thermosphere lies between the exosphere and the mesosphere. Thermo means heat, and the temperature in this layer can reach up to 4500 degrees Fahrenheit. If you were to hang out in the thermosphere, though you would be very cold because there aren't enough gas molecules to transfer the heat to your body. The thermosphere is home to the International Space Station as it orbits Earth. The last layer is exosphere. The exosphere is the outermost layer of Earth's atmosphere, located above the thermosphere. This layer separates the rest of the atmosphere from outer space. It's about 6,200 miles, which is 10,000 kilometers thick. The exosphere is where satellites and other human made objects in Earth's orbit are found. The exosphere has gases like hydrogen and helium. There is a lot of empty space in between. There is no air to breathe and it is very cold. The layers of atmosphere together make up a beautiful symphony of science and wonder. So next time you look up at the sky, remember to appreciate the hidden world above. The layers of atmosphere that surround us, keeping our planet safe and full of life. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.